Yeah, buddy.
Oh boy, do I got some explaining to do or what? It's been a long time since we hung out. Thank you guys for coming back. I am now getting back to making and editing some videos and stuff. So we're going back a couple months and I'm gonna show you a trip where we went up through California, up the Oregon coast, up into just outside of Bend, Oregon. So I hope you guys enjoy the trip and hope you guys weren't feeling too lonely without me. So thank you guys for following Happy's Trails. Yeah, buddy. He's like, I don't smell no squirrel in there.
Get that squirrel.
Well, I'll keep digging if you think so.
He's in there. He's in there.
Where's the money, Lebowski? I don't know. I think I should just keep digging. Willow. Hi, my girl.
Welcome to Amaro Bay.
You guys liking the beach? It's good, huh?
Ain't gonna lie, it's pretty nice having the beach to ourselves.
We are right up there in the parking lot. So this is what we saw all night. A little foggy this morning.
Yo, check that out. Look what we're about to cross. Everybody knows the Golden Gate Bridge, baby. So if you don't know, the Golden Gate Bridge is in California, and it's a bridge spanning the Golden Gate, the 1 mile wide strait connecting San Francisco Bay and the Pacific Ocean. The structure links the U.S. city of San Francisco and the northern tip of San Francisco Peninsula to Marin County, carrying both U.S. Route 101 and California State Route 1 across the strait. It also carries pedestrian and bicycle traffic and is designated as part of the U.S. Bicycle Route 95. Not sure if y'all knew any of that, but now you do. It is recognized by the American Society of Civil Engineers as one of the wonders of the world, of the modern world anyway. And it's actually one of the most recognized symbols of San Francisco and California itself. The construction was started in January 5th, 1933 and ended in April 19th, 1937. Oh shit, happy birthday! Belated anyway. And one thing I recently learned is it's a big protest spot. Who would have known? Bet y'all didn't think this was gonna turn into a PBS educational video, did ya? But instead of public broadcast, we're gonna call it Poor Boy Studios.
Lookout Rock or Patrick's Point?
Patrick's Point. Hang on, little guy. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna allow dogs. Only every sign I've seen has been
No dog.
yeah.
No dogs. There's a Bigfoot in there. This is where all the fairies live. And there she is. Dang, that sucker's massive. She is pretty too, huh? Doesn't seem real. We are somewhere along the Oregon coast. I'm not quite sure where we're at, but that's all right. We're happy to be here. Been on the road nonstop for probably over a week. Constant driving. But the rig's doing great. Sure is beautiful weather. Good time. I have to say the biggest struggle with the new rig is just with Willow. She's not able to get in and out. Her hips are going out really bad now. So I'm having to lift her in and out. But yeah, we'll make it work as long as we can. Check this out, guys. I wanted to show you guys something. It's where we stayed last night. It's a hostel, but they let you park out in the parking lot. And I believe from the ad, I'll verify, but I'll put a link in the description also that this may be the oldest brick building in Bend, Oregon. So check it out. It's just like 2 blocks from downtown. 42 Hawthorne is the address. And there's where we're parked. They got a big parking lot in the back over there. Big parking lot around the other side. Good morning. So yeah, it's a pretty neat place. She was not friendly. Anyway, yeah, here's the rest of the building. Little entryway here. Little gazebo here. In here they've got laundry. They've got showers, a sauna in there too, which is pretty rad. Got a couple food carts, common area all around here. They got a brew cart. Some tasty beverages, good food, hang out. They do little shows right here on the weekends. And yeah, that's about it. They got a parking lot back here that's also pretty huge. Anyway, never know what you're gonna find when you're cruising around. Pretty sweet, eh?